To remove and replace the battery on your Indian Springfield, follow these steps. Park the bike on a flat level surface and ensure it is powered off. Remove the upper side covers by pulling the corners straight out to disengage from the rubber grommets in the frame. Next, remove the 2 outside fasteners securing the driver's seat to the frame. Then, lift the rear of the seat and pull rearward to disengage the front retaining arms. Continue by removing the fastener securing the vehicle control module mounting plate to the top of the battery. Slide the VCM assembly forward to disengage the retaining tabs and carefully place out of the way. Do not disconnect the VCM and ensure it does not touch the positive battery terminal or cable. This can cause the VCM to short out. Next, remove the negative battery cable first to prevent arcing and position out of the way. Then, slide the protector boot away from the positive battery cable and remove the cable from the terminal. Position the cable out of the way. Reinstalling the fasteners onto the post will help prevent misplacement. Carefully lift the battery straight up and out of the battery box. Inspect the battery box for damage and ensure the pads are properly located and in good condition. If reinstalling the battery, ensure it is fully charged and free of any debris or damage. Follow the instructions in the battery charging section of your owner's manual before installing the battery. Carefully position the battery into the battery box with the negative terminal toward the front of the motorcycle. Reinstall the positive cable first to prevent arcing and ensure it is routed perpendicular to the long side of the battery. Torque the cable fastener to specification and reinstall the cable protector boot. Then, reinstall the negative cable, ensuring it is routed perpendicular to the battery and torque to specification. Apply a light film of dielectric grease or petroleum jelly to both terminals. Before reassembly, verify the cables are secure and properly routed. Next, carefully reinstall the VCM mounting plate and fastener, avoiding any contact with the positive battery cable, and torque to specification. Turn the bike on before proceeding to verify the battery has been connected properly. Reinstall the seat by engaging the front retainers and aligning the mounting holes. Then, reinstall the 2 side fasteners and torque to specification. Finally, align the 3 side panel grommets and reinstall each upper side panel. For more information, see your authorized Indian motorcycle dealer or visit indianmotorcycle.com.